Hello, Reagan. My name is Sheila Schmid with the Smooth as Lead. What is it that you do here today?
I'm Mr. Hill's secretary.
Oh, the secretary. So that means that you probably do a lot of writing and note-taking for Mr. Hill.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, I happen to have some great writing utensils that I think could make your job a little bit easier. Could I share some of these things with you?
Yes, please.
Okay. In order to know a little better about which one that I have would be best for you, do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Of course.
Okay. Do you prefer ink or lead?
I prefer pencils because if I accidentally make a mistake, then I can just erase it and redo it.
That is a great point. Okay. So, do you like to be able to sharpen your pencils or do you like a mechanical pencil?
I prefer a mechanical pencil because then once I run out of lead, I can just put more lead into it because my fingers are already so used to using that pencil. I wouldn't want to get a new pencil and have to make my fingers get used to another pencil.
That makes great sense. I really like that point. It is hard to get your hand used to using another writing utensil after you've already been using a certain one for so long. So, do you prefer to have the lead in your mechanical pencil a little sharper or thicker? Now, the sharper one, of course, breaks a little bit easier, and the thicker one has a little more strength to it so that if you do push a little harder, it doesn't break as easy. But it just depends on what your preference would be on that.
I prefer the thicker kind.
Okay, great. We have some mechanical pencils that have some thicker lead in them, and they work great for that. Is there anything specific about the mechanical pencil that you like in the way that you hold it?
They're easy to hold. So like when I'm writing for a long time, my hand gets cramped. But since mechanical pencils are lighter than just regular pencils, my hand doesn't cramp that easily.
Okay, great. And what about appearance of the pencil?
I like colorful and fun pencils.
Oh, okay. All right, so you have given me some really good information on your preference, and I think we have some pencils that would really work great for you. Could I please show them to you?
Yes, please.
So these pencils, first, you can see are very fun to look at and colorful. And is there anything that comes to mind, like would these pencils make you happy if you saw these every day sitting on your desk? They make me happy too. Would you like to hold that pencil so that you can see how it would feel as you write on the paper? How does the size of that lead feel to you? Is it too flimsy or too thick?
I think that one's a little bit too flimsy.
Okay. This lead might be just right for you then. Great.
I like that one.
You like that one? You know, I think that you're right. This one would suit you just right and to cover all of your concerns and your likes that you have in a mechanical pencil. Could I write up this order for you today? I could have it for you in 2 days so that you could be using it as quickly as possible and take great notes for Mr. Hill.
Yes, please.
Great. All right, let's get that paperwork started.